going? Welcome to a new video. I hope you're doing well. Finally, we can start making videos outside of my driveway. I'm sick of tired of making videos in this driveway. I want to go out and have some fun. Now that the R33 is finally tuned, we can start hitting boost around. So in this video, we're going to test out the new power on my R33 because the fully forged build, oh man, it sounds so good. When I was looking back, this GoPro doesn't do justice to the dose sound and the screamer. Once I get an external mic, set up the microphone to the filter and the exhaust, it's going to sound amazing. I can't wait to show you guys these clips of this car hitting boost. So I'm going to keep the talk short because I want to show you guys how sick this R33 sounds with the whole new setup, hitting boost, going around corners, having some fun, figuring out the new power. Because I want to figure out like what second and third does around the corners and that way when I go to the proper mountains, I know what to expect. Also, before I roll on these clips of me boosting around in this 550 horsepower R33, I just want to say, if you're a new viewer, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to check out my other videos because a lot of questions I've seen that I've pretty much done videos to answer those questions. So check out all my videos. I show you guys how to rebuild an RB25. I show you taking out the engine, stripping it, putting all new stuff in, and then dropping it in back myself, taking it to the dynos. There's tons of videos, so make sure to check them all out. And let's roll in the clips of me boosting around in this R33. Coming. Holy shit. Again, another one in the middle of the fucking road. There's the bike lane. Look where he's riding. Watch your legs jiggle. Look at that, there's the bike lane. Oh, now you want to use it. Fucking twat. Another one now. Fuck off. Seems smooth. The problem is up in boost I have, listen, no traction, wheels just frothing, man. They love it. It's so sick, but at the same time I gotta get new tread, I gotta get camber arms, so I get rid of that camber. Fuck, that's sick. So as I said before about camber arms and new tread, they'll take care of that problem. I just gotta be careful in the rain out in the hills because man, even fifth gear I'll be doing burnouts in. But this car's so fun to drive again, man. It's just like, listen, that Flutter is just insane, man. It's like a fat dose, and that's what I love about Flutters, having that fat dose, and I can't complain about it. Because usually 3-inch intake pipes sound a lot better than the 4-inch, because this has got a bigger turbo housing. The 4-inch is okay to have a louder dose with. So good to drive again. Love it. Like cyclists everywhere. Love that part. But yeah, definitely gonna get new wheels, new tread, camber arms at full potential, because I need to figure out what does what, you know what I mean? Like just figure out all this, like figure out all the different rev ranges, gears, how the car responds on throttle. So right now everything is going smooth, like I can't complain. As I said in the last video like a million times, I'm so happy with this shit. Oh, this guy, why do you have to poke out so much, man? That's how you cause accidents. Dumbasses. Man, that flutter, I hope the camera is picking up the flutter, because that sounds so good. At night time when everything's more quiet, we'll go for another run for another video. Oh man, I'm so glad my build went smooth. Like temperatures are fine, oil pressure's fine. I gotta get a Haltech screen so I can monitor everything, but when the car was on the tuner, when the car was at the tuners, there was no issues, everything went smooth. So I'm really happy with this build. I'm sad because I'm gonna make 3 videos. 1, how to make this much power. 2, how much it costs to do it and where to get all the parts from the best prices. I had no sponsors, so I did this all with my hard-earned money. So there's gonna be a lot of videos to come on RB25s, how to do them up, how to get them to this level, where to get all the parts from. So stay tuned for that, guys. The ones that ask me all the time, where do I leave my camera when I film from up here? I use this light up here, so make sure to suction cup your GoPro to this light right here. They do it all the bloody time. Spends like $4,000 on a bike, $1,000 on the suit, just to do 20 kilometers an hour in the middle of the road. Oh, fantastic. Great life. Douchebag. Oh, this place is getting boring now. I want to go out to the actual proper mountains. Guys, it's going to be my last lap, then I'm going home. I just want to quickly say, if you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because now that this build is done, trust me guys, tons of videos to come with this build. Right now, it's just testing out the car, seeing how it goes around corners and that, getting the feel for the car. I'm gonna run a mic to the pod filter and the exhaust, so that way when we go for cruises, we can pick up all the sweet noises. I honestly can't wait, man. This has been a long awaited time for me to drive this car and just have fun in it again. And everything is going smooth right now. But man, am I using a shit ton of fuel. Holy shit. But it's worth it. But when I go out to the hills, I've pinpointed where all the E85 stations are at. So if you're gonna stay on E85, make sure to figure out where all the E85 is at. I'm also gonna bring a jerry can with me just in case there's an emergency. And the good thing about this tune is as well, if I need to run 98 in it, I can put 98 and get to a servo with E85. So that's a plus side to this. Anyway, let's do this final lap and head on home. Because I've overstayed my welcome. Jesus. How good is that flutter, guys? I'm gonna close that window so there's less wind noise and hopefully it picks up the flutter better. You gotta admit, how sick is that flutter, man? It's just, those people are smiling at me. They know what's up. You gotta admit, this car sounds so good. And I don't want to sound up myself, but I think another cyclist in the middle of the road. And he looked at me like, oh, bro, there's the bloody lane. Anyway, as I was saying, I've heard a lot of RB25s with this similar setup. I love a lot of RB25 soundings, but I don't want to sound up myself. This has to be the best RB25 I've actually ever heard. There's a few that I can think of on the top of my head that pretty much come close to this, but holy shit. The way this thing sounds up in gate, the way it sounds when I shift gears, when it flutters, it's just a perfect sounding RB. And with this Canon and the straight through 3-inch catback system with the 6-boost manifold, it's got this really nice raspy note. That's because of the 6-boost manifold. So don't get some cheap eBay rip-off, you know, manifold. They don't last long. Chuck $1,000 and you've got this lifetime warranty. So if this cracks or anything, I can just get a new one replaced. So that's the plus side to having a 6-boost manifold. All right, let's go have some fun. And when you're slightly turning and put your foot down, it kicks out so easy. Holy shit. Hello, Mr. Ghost. Yeah, I definitely need to get new wheels and camber arms, man. This is a bit full on. There's a lot of the spots that I go to have sharper corners than this, so we're definitely gonna have a sketchy time with this wheel setup. Oh dude, fuck off, man. Seriously, you just veered into the middle of the road. Fuck. Another one. Man, this car's so fast. As soon as I put my foot down, it's like light speed. It's so good to have so much power in this. I can't wait to take this to the track, see how much we do down the quarter mile. Do a few keep it read sessions in this. What else? Mountain runs, go find some spots, go drifting, have some fun. My S14 RB25, the reason why I bought that is so it takes the pressure off this. So that S14 RB25 is mainly my track car. New viewers, that S14 can't be registered. So it's my track car, it takes the pressure off this, because if I'm abusing it out here and there, then to the tracks, this car's never gonna relax. So it's good that this car can have a break while I take out the S14 and just flog the shit out of that car. And the good thing about the S14 is I really don't care if I smash it, because it's just gonna be my drift beater, because I know once I start getting more seat time, I'm gonna start trying to enter in competition. So my goal is to win. All right, let's give this another boost. Ready? Dude, holy shit, this thing is a monster, man. This thing is insane. So much power, man. How awesome was that, guys? I was so excited to drive that I forgot to do an intro and an outro, so I'm doing it right now. How amazing does this R33 sound? Comment down below what you guys think of the new RB25 sound setup, because personally, hitting boost is like honestly the best feeling. It's like you just feel the wheels spin, the sound of the screamer and the turbo flutter. It's just a perfect combination. I hate blow-off valves. I'll never ever run a blow-off valve ever again. I love listening to that dose. I love screamer pipes. It's just the best sound combination. And at night time, we're gonna go get some couple of mates to stand around some corners, full flog it around at night time, so that way we can see some flames popping, because I feel like this car needs more outside shots. I'm sick and tired of filming inside the car, so we can definitely get some more outside shots. I just want to quickly say thank you guys so much for the love and support. Seeing all the supportive comments in the dyno video, holy shit, it's just amazing to see how many people around the world have been following this R33 build. It's so sick to see all the support. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.